Roadside
nothing
Rob.
but a simple man. Call me a redneck, I reckon that I am, but there's things going on that make me mad to the core. I gotta work like a dog to make ends meet. Got crooked politicians and crime in the street, and I'm madder than hell, and I ain't gonna take it no more.
O2 sensor replacement.
They tell our kids to just say no. A panty-waist judge lets a drug dealer go, slaps him on the wrist and turns him back out on the town. If I had my way with those selling dope, take a big tall tree and a short piece of rope, hang them up high, let them swing till the sun goes down. Hell, you know what's wrong with the world today? People done gone, put their Bibles away, living off the law of the jungle, not the law of the land.
Audi A5 oxygen sensor. If it doesn't break free using the 3/8 short, try using the deep and you'll get a better bite. A little bit more bite on that. Switch it to a 1/2 inch drive. Might have to use a little heat around the housing, swell it up. Already got anti-seize right there on the threads ready to go. Same connector. Wait till you hear that satisfying click and you know you're connected. Give it a pull back, make sure it's locked in.
Oh yeah, good.
Started first try this time too. Oh, yep. There we go. That's what we wanted right there. Open and close loop. We wanted to hear the computer read all the sensors, get off of that default setting, and settle down once it reads all the sensors. Yeah. That's a good sound. Doesn't make any